We are at a natural spring. Believe it or not, it is in downtown urban Richmond, Virginia. But once you see the spring, you'll be amazed. Got my water bottle. I didn't go with peat right now because my peat bottles are actually still full. So today we have, where is it? Number 2. I don't know if you can see it. Number 2. HDME or something like that. I don't know. It's not as good as peat for drinking water, but it's good. Check this place out. It is amazing. Go, champ. This place is just gorgeous. Spring is somewhere down here. We'll get to it. These old steps. Oh, I forgot to show the marker up top. It says 1938 Garden Club. So that's when this was made, I would assume. It's fairly well maintained. I mean, it's pretty well maintained. I've never seen anybody down here, but this is only my second time here. I went exploring and there's some trails and some cool stuff. So people come here, but I just, haven't seen anybody. And there it is. That's your spring. Free water. Okay. So that's awesome. And what we're going to do, we're going to test the water. Uh-oh. Ready? Bum bum. There it is. Listen to that sound. All right. What's the first thing we're going to do? We're going to test the temperature. I just do it like this. I don't know if other people do that or not. But I've got 2 hands here. You can look at the spring while I work on the device. All right. So right now, this gauge, the air is 86 degrees. It sounds about right. So let's see what the water is. I'll get the reading and tell you, and then I'll show you. But this is a cool device. I got it on Amazon, and I'll put a link in there. All right, it's going down. So we just gotta sit here a little while and wait on it. Oh, we could. I wonder if I could rig it somehow. Maybe. We'll work on that in a second. It is going down to 64 because we want to get some of this. I'm gonna dump out this store water. I'll have a sip there. Yeah. All right. Let's fill her up. You can see there's a lot of strong flow, and we have not had a storm in several days. So, I mean, I'm assuming this is pretty strong all the time. Look at that. And now we're going to test it. The best I know how. I just, self-taught. But I got the tools. Get some of that. Ooh. There we go. So let me tell you about the other tools. Here, let's do this. Let's plop that bad boy in there. Yes. Okay. And it can sit and do its thing while I talk. This is a pH meter. Check the link. If it's not working, tell me. All right. The lid is off. This one is just on and off. You don't have to hold it, which is good. I might need a little more water. Where can I find that? There we go. There we go. I don't want it to fall all the way in. All right. And that kind of, while that's doing its thing, I'll tell you, pH, you don't want anything extreme. You want around 7. That's the acidity. 1 or 14 would be terrible. Don't touch it. But, anywhere around 7-ish, halfway between the two, is what we're looking for. It takes a second, so we'll wait on that. I'll tell you about the TDS. TDS tests the minerals, how dense it is full of minerals. All right. We got 4.62. So that's all. It's not quite 5. 5 was at the other two springs. They were both 5, just over 5. This one being 4.62. I mean, I can't tell. I don't know. I can't recommend anything, but I do know that reading, I feel perfectly comfortable drinking this and sharing it with my family because it's close to 7. Okay. On, off, hold, TDS. All right. This is the real deal right here. This is the nitty gritty. That and the temperature. So, sorry. Okay. This one I can show you. All right. I think we got a reading. Okay. That's good news. 31. Good news. I'll show you. On the back here, you have your legal limit. 400. Check it out. Anything under 100 is blue. Means better than tap water. This is average tap water, 200 to 400. No, 200 to 3 something, 80 something. That's tap water. This is reading 37. So that is excellent. Excellent. And the temperature 61.9. So I've done my due diligence, my research, and I deem this, for me and my family, perfectly drinkable, fresh spring water. It went up my nose, but it was good. Let's see. Very good.